Oh. I got fish working right in front of me. Can't tell what they are. What are those fish? They're splashing. Oh, they're everywhere. Those look like little stripers. There's a fish. Oh yeah. What do we got? What do we got? Little striper. Ah, that's getting a little frustrating how small these are, man. Later, bud. Alright, so the past like 2 weeks, every fish blitz I find like this, they've all been small stripers. Like very, very scarce keepers, mainly 22 to 24 inches. It's been like this for a solid 2 weeks. And different spots too. Every blitz I'm finding is small fish. And it's October now, so I'm kind of scratching my head how there's not one like 15, 20 pounders mixed in here. But yeah, they're literally jumping all right in front of me. So the fish are there, they're just not, they're not very big, man. Also, I have this big storm front that's moving in on me. It's bringing some torrential downpours and maybe some thunderstorms. So I don't have a heck of a lot of time. I'm all for fishing in the rain, but this is supposed to be a real doozy of a storm. Oh, one just immediately blew up on that. Holy shit. That was the second this hit the water. It's a little bluefish, it looks like. Little blue, he just popped off, thankfully. Oh, one just blew up on it. Oh, I'm hooked up though. I'll be out in a second. I gotta reel this fish in and run for my life. Oh my God. Dude, that's a scary looking cloud. Bigger fish. Definitely a bigger fish. Maybe not. That was a good initial run. Bigger fish, I say. Not really. Just had a good initial run. Here we go again. Oh, that was a whack. Mr. Bluefish back again. My arch nemesis. That's a fish. That was a pretty savage hit. Bluefish. Yeah, little blue.